everyone. I hope you are doing well today. For today, we'll be going over SCP-8490, Object Class Keter, nickname None. Special containment procedures. Candles, aerosol dispensers, and scented beads have been distributed throughout the site. These will need to be replaced regularly. Mirrored surfaces need to be marred as a preventative measure. Under no circumstances should personnel be unaccompanied. Search parties are prohibited. Cleanup forbidden. This constitutes direct interaction which must be avoided. One's line of sight should not dwell above another individual for extended periods. Inadvertently communicated to the current secure facility. Cannot be transferred back to site of origin. Transmission and selection vector unsolvable. To date, 67 staff assimilated and incorporated via retro-causal embodiment. Despite subject proximity to all personnel, source is ineffable. Paranoid sensations are therefore unambiguous and untreatable. 12 attempts have been made to document physicality. Each has invariably failed. Census. Surface level. Banner, De Jong, and Holden. See Figure 1.1. Maintenance operations continue uninterrupted. Partial conveyance of anomaly sent to main site via coded missive. Awaiting special response rescue. Sub-level 1. Safe class reliquary. Successfully placed on lockdown. Bizzer left to own devices. Stopker and Barrow looked up. Majority of population at 49. Southern wing off limits. Security team set precedent for a non-viable approach. Offensive. Considered responsible for the smell. Sub-level 3. Formerly housed research team and test subjects. Acknowledgement of results triggers primary effects. Bulkheads sealed. Euclid containment. SCP affected despite unnatural lifespan. Containment chambers sensors damaged by tachyon release. SCP unaffected. File updated to confirm entity does not constitute a living being. Sub-level 4. Railway sabotage to prevent spread to main site. Sanders, Baudelaire, and Hanwald safe sheltering in place. Cannot risk egress through Euclid containment. Sub-level 5. Initial contact point. Mortuary first affected. 9 staff learned the danger of identifying the anomaly. 6 determined proper conveyance at personal cost. 2 attempted physical interaction. Dowell chose the furnace. And that is it for today. I would like to thank you for your time and attention. And remember to adhere to all safety protocols and procedures. It's for your safety. Have a good and productive rest of the day.